guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my very first Project Pan update. So if you want to see how I have been doing so far in my very first month of participating in Project Pan, then keep watching. Alright, so if you don't know what Project Pan is, it's basically when you compile a bunch of products together and you just try to use them all up, basically. So back on January 1st, I uploaded a video of what I wanted to hit pan on this year. And in that video, I said that if I had hit pan on anything, like in the middle of the year or whatever, I would substitute it for another product because I just want to do that. I really want to challenge myself this year. So if you need a refresher on what I am trying to pan, I will link the video down below. So first product I'm going to start out with is my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. I can't really tell how far I am with this, but I think I'm at the point where I need to take the stopper out, because I've noticed when I'm using it lately that a lot of product isn't coming out. So I'm definitely going to take out the stopper soon. Second product I've been actually hitting pan on is the Modern Renaissance palette. And if you remember in the first video, I said I had just hit pan on Raw Sienna, and I've been making pretty good progress. I also hit pan on Tempera up here and this shade right here, which is Burnt Orange. I think the next shades I'll probably hit pan on next are Warm Taupe, which is this shade right here, and maybe Vermeer, because those are like two shades that I also use a lot. So I'm pretty excited that I've actually used these three up so far. Next, I've actually also been hitting pan on this Shade and Light palette. If you remember, I already had hit pan on all three of the setting powders and this middle shade right here. And I also just hit pan on this light shade, which is Somber. I hit pan on this the other day, which I'm so happy about. Like I said in the first video, this, I'm like still up in the air on what I want to do with it, because I don't really contour a lot. I've just honestly been using these two shades to just kind of bronze. I like how it looks, especially since it is winter and I'm a little more pale. So I think once I'm done with all the shades, I might throw it out. I'm still debating on what to do with this dark shade right here. I don't know if I want to save it as an eyeshadow yet, so that is, I don't know what I want to do with it. And the last thing that I've hit pan on actually is this e.l.f. Illuminating palette. I hit pan on this pretty light pink shade. As of recently, I've actually been mixing this pink, this like coppery color, and then this like kind of like brownie shade, all those highlights together, and I've been really liking how the highlights coming out. So hopefully I'll hit pan on these two next. This white shade is kind of like that dark shade in the Kat Von D palette. I don't use it a whole lot, but I might save it as eyeshadow or something like that, because I do have a Z palette that is pretty empty that I can fill up with some bigger shadows. The other two things that I've been working on are this Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. I've gone down a whole lot. Like, it's getting flat. I do use this like every day when I do my makeup, and I just feel like I'm gonna have it forever. I don't know, I just want to use it up. And next up is the Tartelette palette. Now, I did about a couple weeks ago, I did the 5 days 1 palette video, and I used the Tartelette palette, and I used this because I'm trying to pan it. And I thought, okay, maybe if I'm using it every day and some of the same colors every day, that'll help me hit pan. Nope. Not at all. I'm really close to hitting pan on this shade right here, which is Force of Nature. So hopefully I hit that soon, maybe within the next month. Looks like I'm getting there. It's just like, there's a lot more shadows in these pans than it looks, I feel like, because I feel like I've been working on this one forever, and I don't know. So hopefully I can pan this one soon. I don't know if I'm ever going to hit pan on it. And that is it for Project Pan update number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. And definitely subscribe if you want to see more Project Pan videos, because I'm really trying to do like monthly updates here. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see in the near future, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!